Okay, so common mistake number 5 is not considering ease of cleaning. Okay, now what people don't understand, well, if you're an experienced groomer, you would understand that, but if you're not experienced, you may overlook this. You need something that's super easy to clean. Now, if you just stop and look at our dog wash trailers, and this is obviously our XL premium package, okay, you'll see, being one-piece fiberglass, you can literally wipe everything down. There's a floor drain, okay? Everything's designed, they can literally hose it out. We've actually even got a hose inside the actual trailer. I'll show you quickly. We've actually got, and this is just a pure freshwater hose that's inside the trailer. There's actually a section here where you can choose whether it will feed your hydro bath, and it'll also give you fresh water if you either want to rinse a dog in fresh water, or alternatively you want to just give your trailer a quick hose out. This is actually literally set up so you can straight through and do it. So you've got to consider ease of cleaning with your actual trailer, and all this being stainless steel makes it even easier. So that's common mistake number 5 that we see people make, not considering ease of cleaning in their new trailer.